Right, we've not done much filming today, but I'm going to quickly show you what we've done. What we've been doing today. So Callum, as you can see, is we've scraped this floor. We've given it a really good scrape. We put this grano in yesterday, here and here, and over there by the door. So we're just, to get in the holes, we're just giving it one coat of SBR, and then what we're planning to do is come Saturday morning, SBR it again quickly, and then we'll screed the whole lot, we'll self-level the whole lot. Oh, put squirty foam down as a barrier here. So I can just work to that. I probably didn't need it there actually, it probably would have just gone in there. I might take that out. And I've put one in here as a barrier. We've also got some boards in, got some more boards in. We've dabbed this. All this is dabbed now. So everything's all there is to do is board and dab that living room. But like I say, that's a bit of a junk room. So once we've done that kitchen, everything can go in there and it unlocks that. I might be repeating myself. In fact, I think I probably am. The bathroom again is nothing to do with us. And Liam has been on his own just up here, merrily skimming away. Hasn't he, skim face? Oh, he's done a lovely job though. Look at the margin on that reveal. I mean, must have had a good teacher. That's all I can say. Yeah. On the track. Don't you dick. We're gonna have to edit that out. That's that bit that we floated in. Tell you what, looks absolutely bonny as anything now. A couple of years in, you'll be a plasterer. Hello, welcome to another Dams TV. It's Saturday morning. We're back on this job in Liverpool, doing this like full house for this guy. Really nice guy. We set this up the other day. We cleaned all the floor and we SBR'd it. I'm just going to give it another coat of SBR, very tight. And then we're going to self-level this floor. Right, I've had the level on it. We're all right that way, but there's a big dip in it here. So my plan is, I'm going to put some over that grano there and some here. Then I'm going to let that just find its level. Then I'm going to work my way that way, all the way out here. Then I'm going to whip my way like that and out the door. That's my plan anyway. I'll probably put you on a time lapse and then that'll be pretty good, won't it? This is the stuff I'm using. We need to find out how much water we need per mix. Get ourselves set up. We've got the charger on. Tell you what, Callum is just on it. He's a bit like me. He thinks he knows what we need and he starts doing it. I've not even told him he's got the buckets out the van and everything. What? He's miles better than Skimface, to be fair. I think Skimface is just like, la, da, 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 not thinking. Just get as many clean buckets as you can, mate. Don't bother with that one that's full of shite in it. Right, let's get cracking. Let's get this SBR'd and we'll find out what we need and I'll bring you back on just before we start doing it. And then I'll time lapse it. Right, we've sussed out that you need 4 litres per bag. So we've got these 15 litres in here. So 15, 30, 45, and then the other 4 gives us 49 litres, but we need 48 to do 12 bags, if it takes the 12 bags. So what we did, have you ever seen the movie? I think it's Die Hard 2 or Die Hard 3. He has to do like missions with Samuel L. Jackson, and one of them is, we need 4 litres, how do we get 4 litres in here? Well, it's a bit like that.
Shit! I told you not to open it!
I trust you see the message. It has a proximity circuit, so please don't run.
Yeah, I got it. We're not gonna run.
How we turn this thing off?
On the fountain there should be 2 jugs. Do you see them? A 5-gallon and a 3-gallon. Fill one of the jugs with exactly 4 gallons of water and place it on the scale, and the timer will stop. You must be precise. 1 ounce or more or less will result in detonation. If you're still alive in 5 minutes, we'll speak.
Wait a sec!
We needed 4 litres. This is 5 litres. So what we did was fill that up to the top and fill 2 of these 500 millilitres up to leave 4 litres. Maybe I should put a clip of Samuel L. Jackson in, pour them away so nobody drinks them. So those are 4 litres. Is this our bucket, Callum? Yeah. Right, hold the camera. Hold the camera. It's all very scientific, this, isn't it? Will that work? What do we do? Put it at the top or the bottom?
Do it so the top of the tape is the long.
I've not once it stops wobbling. Are we really going to wait till it stops wobbling? Right, Callum's just masking up. We're just about to mix the first mix. I'm going to show you this and then I'm going to time lapse it. Hurry up. Don't rush what? Safety. Don't rush safety. So this first bag had a little bit of a rip in it, so we may as well use this up first. If there's any of this left, it can go down in here, you see, on a later date when we're ready. So we've got 4 litres of water and he's ready to go. Pull it. Pull it. Jeez. That's it. You said you pull it off completely. That's it. He reckons he's got big muscles, this lad. Can't even open a bag. Do I want to die? Not really. Just tip it all in. Put it under the stairs. That can be your storage. That's it. What? Is it on slow, that? Put it flat at the bottom and go round at the bottom. Go all the way round. Make sure you've got all the lumps. Right, that's it. We're ready to go. First pour. So I know I said I was going to start here and work my way the other way, but I didn't. Completely changed my mind. So what I did, I threw some down there and checked with the straight edge that I was sort of thick enough. Then I whipped my way around past that fireplace, whipped my way across the kitchen. I know I said I was going to do it the other way, didn't I? But then I just thought, it's easier doing it this way, and then I worked out to that doorway. Just the way it worked when I started. So that's that done. The last go with the spiky roller, just to get the air bubbles out. Makes it all uniform. Ooh, and that's that done. What I will have to do, once this has gone off, get the level again and just check, because there was a massive hump. There was a massive holler, sorry, not a hump. Sort of where the two floors sort of met, and I'd put that grano. That's a massive hump there. That conduit didn't help. There was these electric pipes are in like conduit. Electric pipes? What are you talking about, Demo? Why am I sweating? When you're doing a bit of latexing, jeez. Anyway, yeah, so what I was saying, there was a big dip there. These electric cables were in a conduit, and that didn't help when I granoed it. But what I can do is all this, if all this is level and all round is level, and there's a bit of a dip there, I can just put a bit more self-level in and a later date. Mix it really thin and just go over it. But I am well impressed with that. Good stuff. All done. So if you've liked this video, I know it's only a short one, but like and subscribe, get in the comments, and of course, say thank you to Cal Dog. Woo! Better than Skin Face. He's gonna go mad.